Hello everybody, welcome back to the How To tutorial, and today we're going to be reviewing the Drip app and we're also teaching you how to use it. So Drip is a TikTok shop alternative where you browse some live streams and you buy products based on this live streams and other stuff like this. So this is mostly used for, selling stuff and buying stuff, mostly geeky stuff like cards, mostly just cards like sports cards, other cards, jewelry, Funkos, Legos, comics, and much more. But it is mostly used for just bunch of trading cards. So as you can see here, we here in our For You page right here, where you can like browse below, like there's like lives here that you can view and buy stuff here. So they're gonna like go in a live stream, and for example here, you're going to the live stream and it's going to pull a Pokemon card. Then whichever card you get, that's what you're gonna get. And you can also look down here and find some streams. There's also donation streams, and there's also some Pokemon pulling streams. My tip for you is utilize these categories here. So there's shop here. You can also buy like some auctions here. So there's like Pokemon cards auctions, mostly just Pokemon cards auctions here. So there's like a PSA 10 Pokemon cards that you can buy here. And there's also an explore tab where you want, if you want to explore more, if you want like category specific, like Pokemon football cards, Magic the Gathering, anime, other cards you really, Legos and other stuff like that. So my tip for you is to find what category that you want. So there is like Pokemon cards. You can just click here, Pokemon, and it's just gonna show a bunch of Pokemon cards here. So that is my tip for you. Then my second tip for you is to pay attention. There might be sales and like some see like rewards up to $250. Just be patient. I guess you can get stuff for free if you are really patient with this platform and gain some promos and stuff like that. So that's my second tip for you. And yeah, guys. So overall review of this app, it's really good alternative to TikTok Shop if you want something, to buy cards, Legos, or other nerdy stuff or jewelry. This is a really good platform to begin with. And yeah, guys, that's thank you for watching my tutorial today. If you guys like that video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.